Hey guys, today we're unboxing and checking out the all-new Samsung Galaxy F36 5G, the latest addition to Samsung's F series lineup. Let's find out what new features Samsung has packed into this phone, how it performs, and whether it's worth your money. Namaste friends, I'm Ashish, and you're watching My Smartphones Galore. Let's get started. Starting off with the unboxing, as usual, we get Samsung's classic sleek packaging. Inside the box, apart from the phone, there's the usual documentation, a SIM ejector tool, and a Type-C cable. No charger, just like most phones these days, but the main highlight here, the velvet purple variant with a vegan leather finish. It looks premium and feels very unique in the hand. Let's power this up and take a closer look. Design-wise, the Galaxy F36 has flat edges, giving it a modern boxy look. Right side, power button with an integrated fingerprint scanner and volume rockers. Top, secondary mic, left SIM tray. Bottom, primary mic, USB-C port, and speaker grill. Back, triple camera setup with Samsung branding and a sleek new camera module. The vegan leather texture adds a premium, grippy in-hand feel, making it stand out from the usual plastic glass finishes. On the front, we have a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Smooth, vibrant, and immersive. For protection, Samsung has added Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, which should help with drop resistance and scratches. In the notch, there's a 13-megapixel selfie camera, and yes, it supports 4K video recording, which is a big plus for vloggers. Performance and battery. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the Exynos 1380 processor, a 5nm chipset. It comes in the following configurations: 6GB access for 128GB, 8GB per 128GB, 256GB. You also get a 5000 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging. And the big win? 6 years of software and security updates, thanks to One UI 7 based on Android 15. That's massive for longevity. Samsung has added several AI enhancements to elevate the overall experience. Google Gemini integration with Gemini Live, Circle to Search support, AI Select for faster text-image actions, smart suggestions, and system-wide AI features. All of these make multitasking and everyday usage feel smarter and smoother. Let's talk cameras. 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, 2-megapixel macro sensor, 13-megapixel front camera with 4K video support. Here are some real-life camera samples we took. You can judge the results for yourself. Low-light performance is decent thanks to multi-frame synthesis, and portrait shots benefit from AI-powered depth mapping. Samsung has added powerful built-in editing tools: Object Eraser, Image Clipper, Smart AI Edit Suggestions. The phone handles editing very well, especially with the vibrant AMOLED screen. Whether you're shooting or viewing content, the experience is visually impressive. What really sets this phone apart is the software experience. One UI 7 feels refined and feature-rich. Quick Share and Samsung Knox Vault add convenience and security. You also get auto blocker, theft protection, and a secure folder. Combined with Google's AI tools, the software package feels very modern and complete. Price and final verdict. Now let's talk pricing. A 6GB and 28GB equals 16,499, 17,999. 8GB and 256GB, 2,999. Overall, the Galaxy F36 offers solid hardware, excellent software features, and some real smart integrations, especially for the price. But more than just specs, the software here makes a big difference. It's not just a smartphone, it's a smart experience. So, what do you think of the Galaxy F36? Does software matter to you as much as hardware? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to My Smartphones Galore. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.